So I'm picking up my chicks today. Let's take a peek. We can peek in to see them. I can hear them. Yeah. I don't know if all of them gonna make it. I'll take, what about this brown one right here?
One?
Yeah.
Ooh.
He's like, I'm out.
I know, they... Come here. There you go.
Alright, I'm gonna take 2 more, is that okay?
Sure, absolutely.
Or if you don't mind if I take all 8.
You can take 8. No, seriously, take 8.
Alright, well then I'm gonna take all 8. I'll take this little yellow guy
This
right
one?
here.
I can tell you this is different than the other one because the other one had little like spots on the
Yeah, that dark one?
Come here.
Yeah. That brown one right there?
Come here. Jump out. So one of the things, this one I just like picked off. Sometimes they get what's called poopy butt. They should stop getting it soon.
Okay.
But like when they're pooping, it like gets stuck to their butt.
Okay.
And you might just have to like
Wipe
pick
them
it off. And if it doesn't come off easily, like that one came off easily.
Okay.
If you just wet their bottom. This one?
Yeah. How many am I up to now?
I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right.
Let me just make sure I count 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's yellow, white, and yellow, black.
Hey, babies.
There's big brown, mini brown, and then there's those 3.
We have 8 of them.
Oh! What was them?
He was up under the pile. How y'all doing, buddies? You better come up with some names for y'all. You hungry? Anybody out there in YouTube world got any suggestions for names? Let us know. I'm thirsty. Y'all have fun playing with each other. Little babies. You're so cute. I'm about to figure out what type of chicks y'all are. Hey, Mr. Gray.